The Federal Reserve announced late this afternoon it will again raise rates by another quarter of a percentage point to clamp down on inflation. Now, that announcement sent stock prices of regional banks downward. Those banks are major local employers, and we look to see where they stand right now. Cleveland-based Key Bank's share price dipped below $10 today. Columbus-based Huntington Bank wasn't far behind, and Pittsburgh-based PNC Bank, which has a large presence in our area, is down more than 8% over the past 5 days. And financial experts say this is due in large part to shaky confidence in regional banks. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg breaks down this very complex issue.
They define Cleveland's skyline, and they are the cornerstones to the city's economy. But for these pillars with names like Key, Huntington, PNC, it has been harder to stand tall.
The regional bank stocks fell yesterday in anticipation of the Fed raising interest rates yet again. And I think there's questions about, what this could mean. What's the next shoe to drop for regional banks?
2023 has not been kind to regional banks like Key Bank, Huntington, and PNC. And their share prices really took a turn downward beginning in mid-March. To explain why, imagine regional banks as a stack of wooden blocks. Each block represents a bank. The first block to fall was Silicon Valley Bank, which failed on March 10th. Signature Bank failed 2 days later. Then, on the first day of May, First Republic Bank went under. The stack of blocks represents how jittery the market has been. However, it's important to remember that there's still one more ingredient, and it may put your mind at ease. This piece of cardboard represents the FDIC, and its responsibility is to ensure that deposits up to $250,000 are protected, even in the event of a bank failure.
The FDIC protection on deposits remains at $250,000, but what the Fed and the FDIC have shown, both with the SVB Bank takeover and now First Republic, is that they're protecting depositors at even higher levels.
In a statement, a Key Bank spokesperson says the banks that have failed are niche, with highly concentrated financial profiles. Key Bank, on the other hand, is far more diversified, with the spokesperson saying, quote, Key is a nearly 200-year-old financial institution with safe, sound, and strong fundamentals.
I think there's confidence in the banking system. Key Bank, PNC, Citizens, Huntington, all strong regional banks that are serving customers here in Northeast Ohio.
It's something to be aware of, but not scared of, experts say. While the past 2 months have been turbulent, there is hope for blue skies on the other side.
There's no reason to fear necessarily.
In Cleveland, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.